Title: The Amazing Benefits of Baking Soda. Discover the versatility of sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is not just for baking. Explore its uses for health, cleaning, and more. Ingredients: simple sodium bicarbonate. Deodorize, clean, and heal with this incredible household staple. Dental care. Sparkling teeth with baking soda. Whiten teeth. Mix baking soda with water, brush gently. Ideal for occasional use. Remove plaque. Neutralizes acids, prevents cavities and gum disease. Freshen Breath. Neutralizes odors, reduces bacteria. Oral health. Sore throat relief. Gargle with baking soda solution to create an alkaline environment. Heartburn Remedy. Mix baking soda with water to neutralize stomach acid. Skincare. Bath soak. Relieves skin irritations, rashes, sunburns, and insect bites. Muscle recovery. Add to bathwater to soothe sore muscles. Deodorizing Natural Deodorant. Baking soda neutralizes odors by creating an alkaline environment. Household cleaner. Effective for counters, floors, pots, pans, and more. Kidney health. Kidney function helps reduce the risk of kidney stones and balances body acidity levels. Exercise performance. Lactic acid buffer. Consuming baking soda before intense exercise delays fatigue by buffering lactic acid. Foot care. Foot soak. Reduces odor, softens calluses, and combats foot fungus. Cleaning produce. Produce cleaner. Soak fruits and vegetables in a baking soda solution to remove residues. Household cleaning. Odor elimination. Deodorize carpets, upholstery, refrigerators. Surface cleaner. Effective natural alternative to chemical cleaners. Additional remedies. Burns and itching. Apply baking soda paste to soothe. Whiten Laundry. Add to wash to brighten clothes. Detox Bath. Combine with Epsom salts for a relaxing detox bath. Conclusion. Embrace the power of baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile, natural remedy for various household and health needs. Share these tips with friends and family. Leave comments and have a great day.